Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have Automator, the Roblox client, and a developer token ready. Open Automator and create a new task targeted at the Roblox process so the tool can interact with the game window. Next, import a minimal action, a click or input macro to verify connectivity. You do this first to avoid complex debugging later. Once Automator detects Roblox, you can chain richer actions with confidence and reduce permission headaches. Now assemble the middle flow. Add timed actions like waits and clicks with millisecond precision and sequence keyboard inputs for menus. Use conditionals to check for UI elements or in-game text and branch accordingly, because games lag and you must handle both success and retry paths. Parameterize coordinates, delays, and repeat counts so you can tweak speed without editing logic. Once done, run short tests to observe behavior and adjust timings to match Roblox frame rates. Finish by wrapping your flow with safety. Add logging and randomized delays to mimic human timing, and respect in-game cooldowns to avoid rate limits. Run full test loops while watching logs so you can detect where actions fail. If something breaks, check your API token, ensure the Roblox window has focus, and verify Automator has the needed permissions. These are common blockers. Finally, make small timing adjustments and rerun until the automation consistently completes the intended task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.